Hi, this is Lisa Somerville for Divinity Designs. Today I'm here to share with you our newest membership plan for 2025. In 2025, Divinity Designs will be releasing a new Bird of the Month stamp die duo each month. As a member of the Bird of the Month membership club, you will receive this set at 20% off the retail price. The Bird of the Month for January is the owl. This contains 4 clear stamps along with 4 coordinating dies. Here you can see the stamps and the coordinating dies for the January Bird of the Month stamp die duo. When using clear stamps, it's important that you condition the stamps prior to using. To condition my stamps, I use a sanding block and go back and forth over the stamp. This helps remove any film or residue that might be left on the stamp and helps ensure a nice crisp image when stamping. Next, ink the stamp with a freshly inked ink pad. Then stamp or heat emboss onto cardstock. Next, you can die cut the stamps and sentiments. To do this, simply align the die over the stamped or heat embossed image or sentiments. Use removable tape to hold the dies in place, then die cut following the directions for your die cutting machine. This will leave you a nicely die cut image that you can use on your cards, scrapbook pages, or home decor projects. Now let's take a look at some of the projects created by the design team using the January 2025 Bird of the Month Stamp Die Duo along with additional Divinity Designs products. If you have any questions about the project shown in this video, you can use the leave a message button on our website to send us an email. For more inspiration, visit the product pages on our website, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram.